Hi everyone, it's Kevin from the Figure Owners Club. It's great to be with you. I wanted to share with you a new Figaro toy product, put together kit that's been created by one of our members, Jeremiah Blakely. He's over in Germany, but he's a US citizen, and he basically is very clever chap. He's downloaded a Figaro software package with a design of the car, and he's managed to print it using a 3D printer. Now, you've probably seen a lot of these 3D printers, and it just blows your mind, doesn't it, what it does with obviously plastic just falling from something, and it creates a solid from it in millions of different shapes. And what he's done is he's created basically an Airfix kit, if you like, which is really the only thing that's missing, isn't it, at the moment? There's obviously a lot of the metal kits and plastic models of the car, but there's no kind of Airfix type kit, and it's taken him a huge amount of time apparently. It's been a labour of love, bless him, and I can see why, because we've got lots of parts here. I'm going to try and sort of get the camera and show you what I'm talking about. So here we go. So what we've got here is we've got obviously the chassis. So that's the chassis. We've got obviously the four wheels, the door cards. Okay. Sorry, not the door cards. Yeah. From inside the car, and this is kind of like a piece that sits inside the car, carpet and gear knob, gear stick. He's also done the console area. It's just incredible, and the two little seats, and also the little tiny bumpers. Now, what obviously is going to be maybe quite tough for people, and it's even going to be a challenge to me, and I'd like to think I'm a reasonable model maker, is I'm going to have to try and paint all these parts to match the car. One of the benefits, I think, is if you've got a custom car, and let's face it, there's loads of those out there, be fun, real fun to be able to, you know, create a car. This is just like your car sat on the drive or in the road, if you like. You know, whatever colour you've got, you could paint the chassis that colour, which obviously you can't do when you're buying these pre-made toys out of metal. They're either classic colours, or some of the smaller ones I believe are in custom colours. So the plan is, let me just share also with you, he's made a brilliant job of it. He's also printed, as you would expect, some fairly extensive instructions. So it tells you what you have to do with each part, and what bit glues to what part of the model. And as you can see, 3 points need to line up. So I haven't really looked at these in any depth yet. Obviously the colours and stuff like that, what to leave on, what to leave off, if you like. So it's pretty extensive, even how to cut the windscreen out using a plastic bottle. Well, you can see that for the glass, and then obviously that's basically the parts that you should get and what you should be painting in the ivory colour, and you've got all the colour things here as well. So it's pretty extensive. It's kind of an autumn project, really, if I'm honest. So what I'm going to be doing in the next week or so is trying to fathom out all the colours required. Humbrol colours, I guess I use. I mean, I am a model maker, so a hobbyist, if you like, so I kind of know which bits to buy. The plan is, I think I'm going to try and do a video of me making it, obviously, you know, various clips, and painting it and putting it together. Haven't decided on the colour just yet, but obviously some of it will be possibly a spray can, and others will be using little pots of Humbrol paint with a little brush. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with your Figgy fans and members. It's going to take a while to put together, so don't expect anything too soon. But also the other thing is there's no pricing on this yet, so I've no idea what Jeremiah is going to be charging for these. So obviously, whilst we're building this, he's probably going to put together some pricing for us, and I think it's 1/18 the scale, so it's pretty similar to that one. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So it's going to look like that, really, isn't it? That's all actually the same shape, same size, obviously, as this little green one we've got. So great fun. Airfix kit, not made one of these for a long time, so it should be a bit of fun. But anyway, we'll as I said, we're going to create a video at the end of it of me creating the kit. Anyway, that's all from Kevin. Hope you're enjoying the lovely summer out there, and see you soon on the next one. Cheers, bye. Correction to the video. It's 124, so it's not 118, it's 124. Okay, see you soon, bye.